In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set units in AutoCAD using the drawing unit settings, step by step, in a way that's easy to follow even if you're just getting started. Setting the correct units is one of the most important things you can do before you begin drawing, because it helps make sure every line, measurement, and insertion scale matches your project perfectly. Whether you're working in millimeters, inches, or architectural units, this quick setup can save you a lot of time and avoid costly mistakes later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. This can be a brand new file or an existing project, depending on what you're working on. Once your drawing is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Application menu, which is the big A icon. This is where AutoCAD keeps many of its main file and utility options. After clicking the A icon, move down and select Drawing Utilities. In that menu, you'll find several helpful tools, including the option we need for this tutorial. Now click Units. This will open the Units dialog box, where you can control how AutoCAD interprets and displays measurements in your drawing. Inside the Units dialog box, the first thing you'll want to set is the length type. AutoCAD gives you several choices here, such as decimal or architectural, depending on the type of work you're doing. If you're working on technical, mechanical, or metric drawings, decimal is often the most common option. If you're doing building or construction style drawings, you may prefer architectural units. Choose the one that matches your project so your measurements display correctly. Next, set the precision. Precision controls how many decimal places or measurement details AutoCAD shows in your drawing. If you need very exact measurements, you may want a higher precision level. If you only need general dimensions, a lower precision setting may be enough. This is important because it affects how your values appear throughout the drawing. After that, set the insertion scale. This tells AutoCAD what unit should be used when inserting blocks, references, or other content into your file. For example, you might choose millimeters if you're working on metric designs, or inches if your project uses imperial measurements. Making sure this matches your drawing standard helps everything come in at the correct size. Once you've selected the right length type, precision, and insertion scale, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything looks right. This is a simple step, but it's one of the most important when starting a new AutoCAD file or correcting an existing one. When you're ready, click OK to apply the changes. Your drawing units are now set, and AutoCAD will use those settings for the current file. That means any dimensions, inserted objects, and measurement references will follow the unit system you selected. If you need to repeat this process in another drawing, just follow the same steps again. And that's it. You've now learned how to set units in AutoCAD using the Drawing Units menu. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.